Hello guys, myself Akshay and today I am going to show you that how to set up your own pen testing lab using Oracle VirtualBox, or you can simply say that we are going to create a LAN between two virtual machines using Oracle VirtualBox. So friends, before starting it practically I want to make you clear some definitions. So friends, let's begin. The very first question arises that what is Oracle VirtualBox? Oracle VM VirtualBox, formerly known as Sun VirtualBox, is a virtualization software that suits for both x86 as well as x64 computers, or you can simply say that 32 as well as 64-bit computers from Oracle Corporation as a part of its family of virtualization products. It is installed on an existing host operating system as an application. This host application allows additional guest operating systems, each known as guest OS, to be loaded and run, each with its own virtual environment. Supported guest operating systems include versions and derivatives of Windows, that is Windows 7, XP, 8, etc., Linux, BSD, Solaris, and many more others. Another thing is understanding network adapters. Basically, VirtualBox supports 6 to 8 types of network adapters, but here we are discussing only those what we need. First is NAT and another one is host only. Network adapt Network address translation is the full name of NAT, is the simplest way of accessing an external network from a virtual machine. Usually it doesn't require any configuration on the host network and guest system. For this reason it is default networking mode in VirtualBox. A virtual machine with NAT enabled acts much like a real computer that connects to the internet through a router. The router in this case is the VirtualBox networking engine, which maps traffic from and the and to the virtual machine transparently. Another one is host only. This can be used to create a network containing the host and a set of virtual machines without the need for the host physical network interface. Host only networking is particularly useful for pre-configured virtual appliances where multiple virtual machines are shipped together and designed to cooperate. For example, one virtual machine may contain a web server and a second one a database, and since they are intended to talk each other, the appliance can instruct VirtualBox to set up host only network for the two. A second bridge network would then connect the web server to the outside world to serve data to, but the outside world cannot connect to the database. The next thing is networking hardware. VirtualBox can virtualizes the following 6 type of networking hardware. This is first PCNet, PCI2, PCI Fast 3, Pro 1000 desktop, Pro 1000 server, Pro 1000 empty server, and this is the para virtualized network adapter. Basically the PCNet Fast 3 is the default because it is supported by nearly all operating systems out of the box, as well as GNU Grub boot manager, which is used for Linux or you can say Ubuntu. Setup. Now I am going to set up pen testing lab using Oracle VirtualBox. Here is my Windows XP SP2 and here is my Backtrack 5. The final result is that our both the virtual machines will able to ping each other. So friends, let's begin it practically. Open your virtual machine or virtual box. Now go select backtrack, go to settings, and then go to network. Here you can select net as adapter 1, then go to advanced, select PC fast net and click OK. Then again go to network and go to net adapter 2 and enable network adapter. Here you will select host only adapter. Then go to advanced and here also select PC fast 3 and here select allow all and click OK. Now you go to your another virtual machine and then click on network. Then go to advanced PC net fast, go to adapter 2, enable it host only adapter and make it to allow all and click OK. Then run your both the virtual machines. Now after that you have to check that whether your both the machines are pinging to each other or not. So first of all let us check the IP address. And here it shows the IP address 192.168.56.101. Now we have to see the IP address of our backtrack, and here it shows the IP address 192.168.56.102. So friends, let's try to ping. And see friends that our Windows XP machine was able to ping our backtrack machine. Here it says that packet sent equal to 4, received equal to 4. It means lost is equal to 0%. So now we have to try to ping our Windows XP machine using backtrack. And here also our backtrack machine was able to ping our XP machine. So friends, it shows that 9 packets are transmitted while 9 are received. It means 0% is the packet loss. So friends, that's all what we have to do to set up our pen testing lab or to create a LAN between two virtual machines. So friends, at last, if you like our videos, then please subscribe our channel, or you can also visit us at www.burstlimit.in, or you may also like our Facebook page, that is Burst Limit. So guys, bye, hope to meet again. Thank you.